Hi, we are doing logarithm. Log 2 to the base 10 is a and log 3 to the base 10 is b. Express each of the following in terms of a and b. That is log 12. Now, how we can write 12 as we'll factorize 12 2, 6, 2, 3. So 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. Right? Fine. So instead of 12, we can write 2 square into 3. Now what we know? We know the rule of log. That is log a into b is log a plus log b. Right? So this will become log 2 square plus log 3. Now we also know the rule that log a raised to the power n is n log a, right? Fine. So this will become 2 log 2 plus log 3, right? 2 log 2. What is log 2? Anything. If a log doesn't have a base, that means the base is 10. So log 2 is a. So 2a plus log 3 is b given in the sum. So this will be 2a plus b. Fine. Now we have the second one. The second one is log 2.25. This can be written as log 2.25. We'll remove the decimal. This will become 100. 225 by 100. Fine. So log 225, you can factorize it again. Fine. This will become 5 4s are 20, 45, 5, 9, 5, 3, 3, 1. So this can be written as log 5 square into 3 square by 100. Fine. So now this will become, again we will follow the rule. The rule is log a by b is log a minus log b. Fine. So this will become log 5 square into 3 square minus log 100. Fine. Now again we will put the rule of log. Log a into b is log a plus log b. So this will become 5 square plus log 3 square minus log 100. Fine. So what is log 5 square? Can be written as 2 log 5 plus 2 log 3, clear, minus log 100. That is 2 log 5. What is log 5 again? Log 5 can be written as log 10 by 2. 10 by 2 plus 2 log 3 minus log 100. Fine. So now this is 2 is with both this log 10 by 2. So this will become log 10 minus log 2. Again the rule of log a by b. Over here we saw is log a minus log b. So 2 को बाहर लिखेंगे and the whole thing will be inside the bracket because 2 is with both 10 and 2. Remember this. 2 log 3 minus log 100. That will become 2 log 10 minus 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3 minus log 100. Now we know that log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So log 10 will become 1. So this will become 2 into 1, that is 2, minus 2 log 2, let it be, plus 2 log 3 minus log 100. What is the value of log 100 to the base 10? It's 2. So it will become 2 here. And why it is 2? Because log 100 can be 10 square to the base 10. Fine. So this will become 2 log 10 to the base 10. And log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So this is 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this will become 2 log 3 minus 2 log 2. that is 2, log 3 is b, and log 2 is a. 2b minus 2a is the answer to this. Fine. Now we'll see the third one. The third one is log 2 1 by 4, right? So this can be written as 4 2s are 8, mixed fraction. इसको normal fraction में we will convert. 4 2s are 8 and 9. Log 9 by 4. Fine. So 9 by 4 can be written as log 3 square by 2 square. Okay. Now this is again the value is log 3 square by 2 square is log a by b. Log a by b is log a minus log b. So this will be log 3 square minus log 2 square. Anything, any log, if it has a power, the power comes in front. So this can be written as 2 log 3 minus 2 log 2. Okay. So this will become 2 log 3 means 2 into b minus 2 into a. So 2b minus 2a this will become. The fourth one we will see now. The fourth one will be log 5.4. Log 5.4 is again can be written as log 54 upon 10. Again using the value of log, rule of log, log a by b is log a minus log b. So this will become log 54 minus log 10. Log 54. Now we will factorize 54. 54 को factorize करेंगे. With 2 it will be 27. Then again with 3. And this will be 2 into 3 square. So we can write it 2 into 3 square inside the bracket minus log 10. Again we know the rule, that is log a into b is log a plus log b. I am showing you the rule side by side. So this is log a into b, that is log a plus log b minus log 10. Fine. Log 2, let it be log 2 only, plus 3 square hai. So 2 will come in front of the log. 2 log 3 minus log 10, because this is the rule that anything log if raised to any power, the power come in front. So log 2 की जगह पे a लिखेंगे, 2 की जगह 2, log 3 is b, and log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Any log if has a same base, the answer is 1. So a plus 2b minus 1. Fine. Now the fifth one we will see. The fifth one is log 60. Now how can you write log 60? Log 60 we can easily write it as, thoda you will have to even think a bit. Log 60 can be written as log 6 into 10, right? Fine. So this will become log 6 plus log 10, and log 6 can be written as log 2 into 3 plus log 10 as it is. So the 2 into 3, log a into b is log a plus log b, right? So this will become log 2 plus log 3 plus log 10. Now we know that if there is no base, the base is 10, and any log, let it be any number, if it has the same base, the value is 1. So यहाँ पर log 10 to the base 10 will become 1, and log 2 is a and log 3 is b. So it will become a plus b plus 1. Now we will see the sixth one. Sixth one is log 3 raised to the, log 3 1 by 8. Now we will change this mixed fraction into normal fraction. It will become 25 by 8. Fine. So now 25 by 8. 25 this will become log a by b is log a minus log b. So it will become log 25 minus log 8. Fine. Log 25, how do we can write it? 5 square. Fine. Minus 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. So we know now log a raised to the power n is n log a. So we'll apply that rule. So this will become 2 log 5 minus 3 log 2. Log 2 की value is given in the sum, but log 5 is not given. So what we will do, log 5 can be written as 10 by 2. Fine. Minus 3 log 2. This 2 is on both 10 and 2. Remember this always. So again, here we have seen this rule, log a by b is log a minus log b. So 2 तो common है and this will become log 10 minus log 2 and minus 3 log 2 as it is. So now this is 2 log 10 minus 2 log 2 minus 3 log 2. This 2 is multiplied with both log 10 and log 2. So this will become log 10 to the base 10 is 1. I've just told you. So this will become 2 because any log having the same base, the value is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 into log 2. Log 2 is a minus 3 into log 2. That is 3 into again a. Fine. So this will become minus 2 and minus 3a minus minus plus 5a with the minus sign because 3 is bigger. So this will become 2 minus 5a. So this is how we can do it.